Well, in just a few hours, the so-called toughest sheriff in America heads to court. Sheriff Joe Arpaio, of course, the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, accused of not following a federal judge's orders.
Yeah, it all stems from a racial profiling lawsuit filed against Maricopa County. ABC 15's Nick Saletti live for us with more this morning. And Nick, the big question here, could Sheriff Arpaio actually head to prison himself?
Well, Danielle, if the judge decides to pursue a criminal contempt case against Arpaio, then jail time could be a very real possibility. Now, in just a few hours, as you mentioned, he is going to be at the federal courthouse for day one of his 4-day hearing. Now, this is seen by many legal experts as the strongest attempt to date to have Arpaio held personally responsible for different things that have happened under his watch at MCSO. Now, at issue here is, should Arpaio be held in contempt of court for violating a judge's orders? In 2011, a judge ordered that Arpaio's office stop conducting those controversial immigration patrols. It was later found that deputies were still conducting those patrols for another 18 months after that ruling. If the judge holds Arpaio in contempt, he could face a fine. That would have to come out of his own pocket. The judge has also alluded to launching a criminal investigation, as we said earlier. Now, at this stage, it's hard to tell what kind of political impact this could really have on Arpaio. He is up for re-election next year. Now, if he does run and is elected next year, this would actually be his 7th term as sheriff of Maricopa County. Now, no one has announced any plans to run just yet, but the Associated Press is reporting that so far he has raised $2 million in fundraising. So definitely, if that's true, he has quite a war chest to work with. Now, coming up in our next half hour, we'll tell you how exactly taxpayers have footed the bill for this and how much it's cost all of us.